for an in-camera hearing has been withdrawn. But on the issue of how we are going to proceed, is it fine if we just await the outcome of the engagements in terms of paragraph 23.4 of the answering affidavit? Or let me just ask the broad question, how are we going to, or is that something that, yes, let me hear you, let me just hear you.
Well, the in-camera application has been withdrawn.
Yes, that's why I prefaced
yes.
the point that I'm making.
So we're going to proceed as we proposed, which is to lay out the evidence before the Commission that we've advised we wish to traverse. It concerns topics that were raised in the answering affidavit, but not only the evidence that was attached to the answering affidavit, because the topics, for example, the improper use of one's position to benefit an enterprise that has criminal allegations attached to this enterprise. There's a range of evidence that's relevant to that topic. So the evidence would be what we deem to be material that can't ever be subject to some form of confidentiality because it concerns tenders and the like. The second is, so I've covered the two. It's what's in the answering affidavit, additional evidence that's relevant, and third, evidence in relation to General Khan's, the financial position, wealth and lifestyle. Those are the issues we wish to put before the Commission, and given that the application has been withdrawn, we see no reason why we shouldn't proceed along that basis. What we can engage my learned friends on is additional evidence that that General Khan has said he wants to put before the Commission and that he has concerned about. Now, what my learned friend didn't talk about was paragraphs 27 to 46 of their founding affidavit. So I presume that that is the evidence that is of concern in those paragraphs. And we can engage my learned friends on that and how we deal with it and when we deal with it. So that is separate from what we will be wanting to proceed with on Friday.
Ms. Hassim, I thought it was not so much the content but the procedure. How do you intend to proceed on Friday in the absence of General Khan? So if you can just address that.
Sure. Thank you,
not so much the content
so it's not without precedent. We would follow the same kind of approach that was followed when a previous witness, Mr. Van Wyk, was unable to be present. And the evidence is led, and that does not mean that the witness, in this case General Khan, wouldn't have an opportunity to respond. In due course, he would have an opportunity to respond.
So in summary, the evidence leaders intend to present that evidence to the Commission, and if General Khan at any point should come back, he can respond to that.
That is correct.
Those
are my submissions. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, Ms. Hassim. Mr. Khan, you may respond, but of course I proceed from the premise that I do not expect you to again traverse the ground that we traversed, which led to an unreserved apology with regard to two aspects that you and I debated.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, I say no more than my conclusion of an unreserved apology and regret for the ambiguity that has been raised here. My attorney would like to, however, say something in respect of Ms. Hassim's address regarding the documentation, if he may.